Wait, I'm coming back on just to show the yellow flowers all over this field, this little trail. Yes, there's another trail that way. This trail leads to the woods. We're not going into the woods yet today, but I'm showing all the nice, pretty yellow flowers growing. Oh, there's a frog. He's hopping away. I just spotted a frog, but he hopped away. I couldn't get him on the camera. This trail goes up and around. And right about there in the center is the entrance to the woods. Also, all the way down there by the yellow tree.
And guys,
Yep.
we have another sentence without Uma.
Without Uma.
The one
Descendants part 1.
Yeah. Descendants part 1.
Oh, more frogs. They're hopping everywhere.
Where? I can't see them.
I know they're camouflaged in here. Let's go. Fritz is all ahead of us. He's just going.
Guys, and the
There's Ben.